Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. Well, this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about, just general levels of support and resistance. And that way, and then walk you through some questions. So that way, whenever you're watching this, based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart at that moment in time. So over the weekend, very nice recovery. Last week had this crazy 4-hour period here, but then spent the weekend recovering back to the upside. And, back to the upside is best illustrated by doing this update, which is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the question now going forward, so let's just say you are watching this 15 hours from now, we'll go with that number. Question number one becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,600, which is that green line right there? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above that level, then hey, that means that overall the consolidation has been perfectly healthy. And sure, it doesn't necessarily mean that the price has exploded to new highs or anything like that. But as far as more so an overall big picture, consolidation, that would be a good solid move. Because let's say that, you're watching it and the price is, down around here. Well, even at that point, if the price was right at 7,600, what would that still be giving you from the grand scheme of things? Well, that'd still give you a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, the overall stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction. So that's why, 7,600, as long as the price is above it, then the chart's basically as healthy as it can look. With that being said, though, even if the price is down below it, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. The next question you would want to ask yourself, though, is just where's the price at relative to the 6,800 mark, which is being denoted by that green line right there. If somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below there, then at that point, there's something definitely wrong with the chart. But I'd be pretty shocked if over the next 24 hours, it actually goes all the way down there. But then again, I guess this is cryptocurrency, so you never know. On the flip side, though, just let your gut instincts, common sense, take care of things. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price still up above 7,600, but the price is now up here at 8,500. Well, that would very clearly tell you that the bulls are back in full control and there's no worries or anything like that. So from the upside perspective, like I said, your gut instincts and common sense can take you quite far. But overall, nice weekend. Good to see the price back above 7,600. So we'll see if the bulls can stay up above there or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.